Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2015 Aprilia Tuono RSV4R. This is Aprilia's full-size sport standard motorcycle. Has the V4 1000cc fuel-injected engine, 6-speed transmission. This is the clean title, California bike. This bike has 49,730 miles on the odometer. This bike is the ABS version. ABS brakes, traction control, 3 rider modes, adjustable traction control settings. The V4 1000cc engine puts out 170 horsepower, runs very strong, very comfortable with the upright handlebars, nice seating position around town, very nice. This bike is priced at $69.88 with finance options available. Stop on by and check it out. If you're not far away, 730-0600.